Hello everyone, welcome back to Vegas Room Tours and Beyond. Today we're at Caesar's Palace and we are in the Octavius Tower. This is the Octavius Premium Queen Room, so we'll get right into it. It's nighttime, so it might be a little dim in here, but we are in the Queen Room again, so we have two queen beds here. Nothing too fancy. Even though this is one of their newer towers, it's still like I think 7 or 8 years old, and some of the furniture and decorations and things like that, they're showing their wear. But I mean, it's a relatively nice room. I'm on the quote-unquote 65th floor, so it's high up. What I mean by some of the decor and the electronics being old, I mean, we have an iHome here, but it has the iPhone 4 connector or earlier. So it's pretty old. They haven't done much since they first opened the tower. I mean, the TV even is, I mean, it's a flat screen, but it's definitely a TV from 2014 or 2013. Nothing like the very small, narrow bezel or bezel-less TVs that you see now. You do get a sofa, table, chair, and again, I'm on the 65th floor facing the pool deck. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection and the glare, but it's a little bit of a hike. This is the, if you're coming from the hotel lobby, like it's all the way down the hall. The Augustus Tower is closer, but this tower is kind of a hike, and I'm all the way at the end of the hall in room 6585. So it took a long time to get here, even from the hotel lobby, and I self-parked, so it took even longer. But there's a strip over there. Let me show you a little bit more of the decor, just mirrors. This thermostat is right over here. It goes down to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a random, I haven't been in this room in a long time, but this room category, but this is a random table here with the ice bucket. I don't know if it's hiding something, like cords or something, but it's just a random table with an ice bucket on it. Let's see if it moves. Oh, yeah, it's just a table, nothing hiding there, so you can move it around, but it's weird that they put it right over there. Anyways, you have a mini bar. There's QR codes for the mini bar menu. You look inside here. There you go. Nothing too interesting in there. You do get very little drawer space here. This is the only area where you get actual drawers, so not much. In addition to the mini bar, you do get this Keurig machine, and but it doesn't come with coffee for free. So you get the cups and the Keurig, but in the mini bar there's like gourmet coffee, and so for $20 you get 4 K-cups and all of the creamers and sugar substitutes and the mixers, the stir straws, but it's not free. So if you have your own K-cups, I guess you could just brew them yourself. So better to just bring K-cups. The Octavius Tower still has Keurig machines in their rooms, so that's a nice little feature. You do get a closet area over here. Let's see. I don't know if there's supposed to be a light up there. Oh, no, it's not lit. I guess the hallway light is enough, but it should be enough lighting. Your safe is hidden here in the wall. But you do have a luggage rack, iron, and ironing board. Nothing too special in there either. And then heading over to the bathroom. So going in, you do have a dual vanity, which is always nice. I think the bathroom is the really what you're coming to this room for, just because it's like an entry-level room, basic room, but you get a dual vanity. You have a nice walk-in shower here, separate toilet room, but it's the tub. It's a jacuzzi tub, quite large. So in this kind of entry-level room category, it's really hard to find a bubbler tub in most rooms. So it's really nice to have this in the Octavius Tower. I think maybe the Cosmo is the only other one that I know of for sure where you can get a bubbler tub in maybe like the Terrace Studio or the Terrace one bedroom, which is not necessarily entry level, but it's not one of the more expensive room categories at Cosmos. So it's really rare to find that here. So if you like a jetted tub, definitely Octavius Tower at Caesars is where to go. Other than that, I mean, again, there's not much to say about this room. Square footage wise, I think it's around between 500 and 600 square feet. I don't know, but it just feels that way. So it's a pretty large room. It just feels like a little dated. But I know, midweek rates are not that expensive. So if you can score one here, your center strip. So that's the draw of Caesars. It's one of the OGs on the strip, and you're right there in the middle of the action. And so the Octavius Tower is a really nice value if you want to be center strip. You get a decent room. You get a jetted tub and an ample amount of space. If you can get this for under $200 on the weekends and under or around $120 midweek, then I think it's a pretty good value for where you are in the strip. Let me know what you think about the Octavius Premium Queen Room in the comments below. But if you did like this, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, especially share this with your friends, and let me know what you think. All right, I'll see you again soon.